Hi, hello, and welcome to autopostingtools.com. Today I'm going to show you how the uh, OpenAI Google integration works. Basically, here we have this thing called Olama Prompter. This is an integration for multiple different AI assistants. Basically, whenever you go here in settings, we have Olama, and Olama we can run DeepSeek, we can run Olama, we can run ChatGPT, we can run Gemini. So we have four different AI APIs that we can run here. So the first thing we're gonna be doing here is basically we're gonna click on this to download Olama. I already downloaded on my computer. Then what I have to do is I have to click on Open PowerShell. This is gonna open this up. Now I have this thing called Copy Olama Server. This I placed it here and I hit enter, and this is gonna start the server to run Olama. So whenever I do a prompt here and I click Olama, it's gonna call this to give me a response. Now, in this case, let's say we go here, we're gonna run DeepSeek 7 billion parameters. And we're gonna put here. So we're gonna be running here Olama. So we're gonna write why is the sky blue, and then we already select DeepSeek. So when I click on Olama, it's gonna create a request, and then once it fill up the request, it's gonna do it through the PowerShell, and it's gonna give me a response that I'm gonna get here. This one it's a little bit slow because it's running on my own computer, and here I just clean the response, and this is the response of my ad. As you can see, it was kind of fast, and you can see the response of Olama using DeepSeek. Same thing. If you go to the settings and you change to Llama, you could click on Olama again, and that's going to run the model for Llama, which runs virtually using Olama. So you could do this for Llama and for DeepSeek. And if you have another different server, you could just place it here, different model. Now, whenever you run, let's say Llama, you could just, when you run it the first time, you open the PowerShell, and then you click on copy Olama or copy DeepSeek, which is the ones that is gonna be running. It's gonna download it on your computer, and once it's downloaded on your computer, you should be able to interact with the interface. Now, this will be for Olama. Now, if you're gonna be using ChatGPT, you click on Get Your API Key. It's gonna open up. You can see their usage and how much you're spending on ChatGPT. Here you can see all the different models that ChatGPT has. I'm gonna put it here on the cheapest one is 0440 mini. This will get updated as whenever they update the models. And here you have some of the values of how much it costs per prompt. After that, you have also here some code for Gemini. For this, you will click on Get Your Credentials. It's gonna open up, and then you will have to use the callback. You place your authentication information here on your Google API, your client ID, your secret ID. Then you will click on login, and your window will open up just like this. It's gonna open up on my side, and then once I log in, I'm just gonna click on Get Authorization Token. Once I do this, I will be able to use it, and then I will put here my project, and I will put here the model that I'm going to be using, and then I can save all this information. Alright, so we're going to start trying ChatGPT first. We're going to click here on ChatGPT, then this is going to run this prompt using my API that I placed on the settings, and I click ChatGPT, and then I will get that response here, and the response basically will show me all the information. Here is the response that ChatGPT gave me. Now, if I wanted to try the same thing, I could try Gemini. It's gonna go there and it's gonna pull me all the information. As you can see, it was really easy, it was really fast. Now I can use Llama as well. Basically click on the button and I will get a similar response here, which is gonna be using DeepSeek and Llama 3.2. Now this is like very easy. I will show you something. Here I have another module. Basically this is like different possible services that you could be creating like products or ads for. You select, let's say, graphic design. You click here on create prompt generator. You have two options, to offer services and to find workers. I'm going to click on offering services. I click on generate. This is going to generate like hundreds of different prompts for me to create ads. I can come back here. I can place my prompt and then I can use code Gemini to generate me an ad that I can use for my posting. I just got my ad. It was almost instantly. I just need to like change some stuff there to match my company, and then I could use this to find people that is gonna require my services. And then if I don't want to do the services, I can find people that is gonna do the job for me. So basically, I put here, I can copy this, I can go back, change the prompt, and then it's gonna create me an ad for somebody that is looking for a job in graphic design. So basically, you find someone that needs a service and someone that can do the job for you, and then basically you're the middleman and you take a commission for every job that you get through the ads that this API is generating for you. And basically that's it. If you want to get this, you could do that in autopostintools.com. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.